Guys, we are back here at the ICCA, this time for the rice competition. The World Food Championship rice competition. Risotto, kapsa, Persian rice, paella, you name it, all types of rice competing head-to-head in the most competitive, the most exciting competition across MENA. We got chefs from all over, different levels, from home cooks to supper club hosts, trained practitioners from the industry. The World Food Championship rice competition. Take a look at what we got in store.
My name is Paella Recipe and I'm from Mumbai, India.
Hi Atalia, how are you? Tell me, where are we in the process right now? What have you done so far?
I've prepared the sambal base.
Okay.
It's ready. It's a little spicy.
Okay.
Then these are the shallots ready to be fried for a little crisp garnish. I have got a cucumber pickle over there that will be marinating in a little vinegar. And along with the most important, which is the birch eye.
And what's this for?
Oh, that's
galangal.
Galangal paste. So it's a root.
Okay.
And I've used the paste in the sambal.
All right. Good luck to you then. Can't wait to try everything out.
Thank you so much. Hello, Chef.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
What you are preparing for us today?
A fusion dish, Indian and Italian.
Oh.
It's Indian inspired.
That's so nice. And what do you have here?
I have rice and little bit of lentils, moong beans.
Okay. And then the spices,
yeah,
like
herbs,
some bay leaf.
Bay leaf and all the whole garam masala.
Okay.
And then we have the herbs like the coriander leaf, ginger, garlic, green chili.
Oh wow, that sounds so good. It might be delicious.
Hi Chef, so I did speak to you earlier and you mentioned that you are making Indian fusion arancini ball.
Yes.
Right, so what's so unique about this arancini ball?
The uniqueness is that it's two distinctive flavors and two different countries from the different culture, food habits. So this is the khichdi, which is a staple dish in India, and arancini is a snack appetizer, so it's a combination.
مرحبا معكم الشيف طارق من سوريا، واليوم رح نطبخ رز كبسة، والمنافسة أكيد رح تكون قوية لأنه في عالم كثير وفي شيفية كثير ومن كل بلد في شيفية، وعلى الحماس فموجود كثير حماس ومتحمسين وإن شاء الله ناخذ الأول.
اللي شو عم بتعمل هون؟
هون عندي دجاج.
اوكي.
تقريبا رح يخلص، رح يطلع يتبل بشوية بهارات مع زيت ويفوت على الفرن لياخذ الكريسبي.
نايس كولر. اوكي. Hey guys, how are you? I'm Ala from Cucina del Sul, and we've got Mike, the global CEO for the World Food Championships. He's with us here in Dubai, and we are at the ICCA. They have the
California edition. It's the USDA event at Gulf Food, where they're focusing on California foods, walnuts, prunes, livestock, etc. All kinds of different foods. Rice, yes, coming out of California. So super exciting. And we're also going to be watching the first global rice competition for the World Food Championships. So we'll have our first winner coming out of the event today, which is great.
Hi, good day. My name is Chef Sergio and I'm one of the culinary instructors here at ICCA Dubai. And of course, I'm going to be one of the judges on the panel for the World Food Day.
G'day folks, I'm Vernon from South Africa, owner and chef of Calico and Cream Caterers. Today I'll be a part of the panel to judge the World Food Competition and the section being rice. I look forward to seeing what our young chefs can achieve here today with the humble ingredients and see what flavor combinations they can make, and I'm very privileged to be here today. Thank you.
Hey, I am Valerie Brown and I am the head of the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Office of Agricultural Affairs in Dubai, covering Oman, Kuwait, Qatar, the UAE, and I am so happy to be here.
minutes 38 seconds left. Judges حيكونوا قاعدين هون in 15 minutes time. وبيفتح turn in time to turn in your tray last 10 minutes. So they cannot turn in their tray إذا خلصوا بكير.
5 minutes for the turn-in window to open. Okay, the countdown is 15 more minutes for the competition.
But I have added spices and herbs here, and I have combined two distinct flavors from two different countries.
The chili and the prawns combination remind me of a dish from Goa in India that's called the prawns balcha.